Vacancy rates have climbed. We're seeing downward pressure on lease rates. With the increase in vacancy rates, there is going to be downward pressure. There's just more options open to the tenant today, more product coming onto the market. So landlords have to get more aggressive. They have to reduce their rental rates, have to provide more incentives or free rent, tenant inducement, cash allowances, something to entice the tenants away from their existing spaces. Or landlords looking to retain their tenants are going to have to be more aggressive and in most cases either reduce the rental rates that they're receiving or provide some sort of cash incentive to maintain that rental rate. I expect that the vacancy rates will continue to feel downward pressure moving forward. We're going to see a little bit more spike in the vacancy rates only because there are going to be a couple of companies that are not going to be doing well in the first quarter of 2017. We need to have more projects announced and some of these projects come underway in order to see an uptick really in the Edmonton economy. We've seen a couple of companies. I mean, it's not all doom and gloom in Edmonton. We have a couple of new companies that have come to the market and have expanded over 2016. We've seen some movement. We've seen a lot of consolidation in 2016. We're starting to see some right sizing through that consolidation. We're starting to see some market opportunities where companies are expanding into better space, because those lease rates have come down. Where in the past they found it too costly, but they can essentially, for the same price they were paying 2 years ago, move into a new space and increase their efficiency in their operation. Price of oil today is a key driver. Alberta and Edmonton are both oil markets. I mean, oil drives our economy. We see that in Nisku-Leduc. When oil went down, the vacancy rates rose dramatically in Nisku-Leduc. And I think that we're going to need to see the oil stabilizing above that $50 a barrel before people start getting the confidence to move forward, start spending money again.